Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, most respected brothers and sisters. This is a new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you are not our subscriber, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to keep watching very helpful videos with us. I'm really sorry for playing background music because I'm applying transitions into my Holy Quran recitation video. I hope you won't mind it. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to show you adding transitions in between clips. Now I have several clips on my timeline right now, and as you see, when I play between them, there's just a cut in between the two clips. Now keep in mind that this is cut and this is cut, and this cut is actually a transition, and cuts can go a long way and be very useful in a lot of your video editing projects. So don't underestimate right now a simple cut, but if you don't want to add a simple cut, you want to add fade or something else, we can do it. So the first way that's going to be easiest for you to add transition is right click here and hit apply default transitions. Now as you can see, transitions applied, but this is default transition. I want to apply in footage. Right click here, I want to hide all the layers that we don't need right now. Now it's looking pretty good. You can apply default transition in audio layer. Right click here and add apply transition. Yes, it's done. Come back to video transition again, and if you click on it to highlight it and head over to effect controls in your panels, you could also adjust some certain things about it. So I can adjust one side of it to be longer. I also can shorter. So for now I'm going to make it longer. Or you could choose the alignment to start at the center, the beginning of one clip, and so on. Here is alignment options. Center. Now you can see this is in center. Start at cut. Now this is start at cut. End at cut. Now this is end at cut. This is cut and this is end at cut. Now let's say you don't want just this basic cross dissolve, where all the other transitions in Adobe Premiere. I'll click on it and I'll press delete to remove it. Now it's removed. And instead of right clicking between the clips, if you see on left side, here is effect controls, and if you don't see it, then you can always go to window and go to effects. So for example, I want to hide it. Now this is Marcus panel is open, so go to window and go to effects. These are effects. You can also press shift 7 for effects panel. Now you can start to see some of the different options you have aside from just a basic cross dissolve. So in the dissolve menu, you have the cross dissolve, which is the default. You also have things like dip to black, dip to white, and some other options that can be useful in different scenarios for whatever you are trying to achieve. This is dip to white. We can also drag and drop to clip, and this is dip to black, and there are more categories of transitions we can apply. This is wipe, There's also your common peels and vibes, which I don't know if they always look so good on videos. Sometimes they look a little cheesy. They don't look good. Be careful with those. But you can also use these on text clips or shapes or whatever type of clips you have. So now for our project, I use cross dissolve. So here is cross dissolve. Drag and drop between the clips. As we know, we learned about few ways to add transitions. We can do it right click and apply transition. We can drag and drop from effects panel, and the third way is click on between the clip, then hit Ctrl D. As you can see, the default transition is applied now. Now how we will apply cross dissolve in all the clips at once. Select all the clips and hit Ctrl D. It was about transitions. So right now I'm going to finish this session here. Until next session, stay blessed and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.